Great service is our top priority, and now we're ready to celebrate with you because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share with everyone. Take a look. This is one of our favorite reviews. We really take every effort to make lasting impressions for each and every individual, and it's great to see that our hard work is paying off. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.